Question number 2 says solve the following quadratic equations by completing the squares. So part 1 is 3x square plus 12x minus 3 2 5 5, which is equal to 0. So completing the square, you need to remember two things. Number one thing is you need to remember the two formulas, and the formulas are a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So these are the two things that you need to remember for solving the questions with the help of completing square method. So what are these two things? In the completing square methods, you will get the right hand side of the formula and you have to make it equal to the left hand side of the formula. You will get this side of the formula and you will have to make it equal to this side. Okay, now let's say I have the question 3x square plus 12x minus 3 2 5 5, which is equal to 0. So first of all, I need to have a square, that means x square. So can I divide the whole equation with 3? Is it divisible by this number? What is the divisibility rule for 3? Divisibility rule for table of 3. If I have a number 3 2 5 5, how would I know that if it is divisible by 3 or not? Just add all the numbers, 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5. So I will get 5 plus 5 10 12 15. And 15 is divisible by 3. It means this whole number is divisible by 3. So this is the divisibility rule of 3. Now what I have to take, I have to take 3 common. I will get x square plus 3 times 4 is 12x minus 3 times 1 is 3, and let's divide this 3 to 5 with 3. 0 8 is 24, 3 times 5 is 15, which is equal to 0. So it's x square plus 4x minus 1085, which is equal to 0 by 3, which is equal to 0. So now I have the equation x square plus 4x minus 1085, which is equal to 0. So now I am going to solve it. I need to have a square, means I have x square. Now I need to have plus 2a. Now I know what is a is x, and b, what will be b? B will be any value that will give the answer this. So it's 2x. If I will take 2 over here, I will get 2 times 2 is 4x. So I need to make this value. So to make this value, I have to write 2 over here. So 2 times 2 is 4, and I will get 4x plus. So now it's 2, this is a, and this is b. So what is b here? 2. So I need b square. So what will I do? I'm doing this step in the next line. So I will start like this. I have first term x square, that is a square plus 2. I need to make 2ab here. So what is a? A is x, and what is b? I have to write b as 2. This is what I have to write, because if I will write 2, I will get 2 times 2 is 4x, and I will get this answer. Now what is b? B is 2. I need b square, but I don't have any b square in this question. So I will add b square myself, and I will subtract b square myself. And in the last is minus 1085. Let's take it to the other side. It will get plus 1085. So now if you can notice, I have x square like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is giving us a formula a plus b whole square. As I told you, you will get this side of the equation and you have to make this side of the equation. You will get the left side and you have to make the right side. So you get the left side x square plus 2axb plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is equal to x plus 2 whole square, and minus 2 times 2 is 4 is equal to 1085. So it's x plus 2 whole square, which is equal to 1085 plus 4. X plus 2 whole square, it is equal to 1089. Now taking square root on both sides, I will get x plus 2, which is equal to plus minus 1089 is the square root of 33. So now I have to solve this question, one with the sign of plus and one with the sign of minus. So what will I get? 33 minus 2, and x is equal to 3 minus 2, 31, and x is equal to minus 33 minus 2, x is equal to 35. So I have two values of x, that is 31 and minus 35. Now as I told you previously, that we can check our questions whether we have done the question correct or not. So for checking our questions, we have a criteria that we will put any one value of x in the question. So what is the question? It's 3x square plus 12x minus 3255, which is equal to 0. So I have to put the value of x is 31. Let's suppose 31. So if I will put 31 here plus 12, 31, if x is 31, you can put any value of x. Now let's solve this. What is 31 square? So first you have 961 plus 12 into 31 minus 3255, which is equal to 0. 961 multiplied by 3 is 2883 plus 372 minus 3255 should be equal to 0. So it's 3 times in 2 is 5 plus, so I will get 3255 minus 3255, which is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So it means we have done our question correct, because if we will put back the value of x in the question, we will get the left hand side which is equal to the right hand side.